Hello, how's everyone? Welcome. We are Team 14 in the DTPS project of CGU, here to work on the problem of how to become an active learner in online classes. Amidst this global pandemic, there's not much of an option in front of us other than to go through classes online. But there are numerous people who face various difficulties to get the most out of the online classes. So, we are here to discuss on this issue with the students as well as the teachers aspect. We have our team leader here, Ankit. Would you like to say something?
Thank you very much, Ashwarya, for introducing the topic. In this online mode of education, which has become an integrated part of the student life, we and the teachers face some problems in this online classes. In this video, we will be discussing about the problems, and in the following videos, we will be discussing on the solution. So stay tuned and watch till the end, and do not forget to like and give the suggestion in the Google form given below. In this problem, we have two stakeholders, one the students and the second the teachers. We will be discussing first on the problem faced by the students. Afin, would you like to tell about the issue that you face in the online learning?
Hello, I am Afin. One of the most significant problem that I would like to point is that in some educational institute, the students are marked present in class by simply joining, and quite often students leave the class since they are aware that their attendance has been made just by doing so. So what are your views, Aditya, on this topic?
Yeah, that is a valid point, Afin. Thank you for mentioning that. Hi, I'm Aditya Soumya, and the problem that I think students face is that students don't usually switch on their cameras, so no one is keeping an eye on them. Students just join the meeting and leave it on while they are doing something else. Students at times only listen to what the teacher is saying, but they don't write notes by understanding what the teacher teach. So students don't really get a good output from the classes. Shruti, would you like to say something as well?
Thank you, Aditya. Hello, everyone. I'm Shruti. I'm here to talk about the problems that we face due to the environment in the online classrooms. As there is a sudden change from the traditional classrooms to the online mode, we are not able to adapt to the online mode. We are getting distracted easily. And traditional classrooms earlier were provided a good conductive environment and proper interaction between students and teachers, which is not same in the online classes. Students, most of the students do not care about the whoever is watching them or not, so they do their own activities. They are not getting conventional environment as in our traditional classes, and there is a lack of proper silence as well. So according to me, environment is a factor that is making the students more passive learner and making them lethargic as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Shruti. Now, Brajesh, would you like to add something? What do you face in this online classes?
Thank you, Ankit. As my friends have given many reasons why students are not interested in online classes, I would like to add some more reasons. A lot of students are not interested in learning everything in detail mention, which are in our syllabus. They think what is the need of it in our daily life, and they also know how to fetch a good number of CGPA in exams by doing cheating during online exams through Google's WhatsApp, notes, and book, and many more. What's your view, Saidip?
Thank you, Brajesh. Hello, I'm Saidip, and I would like to say that many students often judge a teacher by others' point of view, and they blame the teachers before realizing their own mistakes, saying that the teacher doesn't teach well, without even letting the teacher know about their issues if they have any, so that they can resolve it in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Saidi. Now let's hear from Anjali.
Students should realize how attentive they are in a class themselves. Most of the times, the students are not paying attention to what is being taught and often don't understand the topic. First, the students need to pay more attention in the class and then ask the teacher if they are still unable to understand something.
Thank you, Anjali. I would like to say a problem that many of the students as well as the teacher face, that is issue regarding the bad network connection, due to which we can't even do a single class in a day. The whole day is gone worse due to a poor network connection in a day. The while asking to a teacher, the voice buffer, as well as when the teacher say, the voice also cuts. So a proper understanding is not out that time.
Intruders is the main reason. Because of this, students and teacher both are suffering a lot. During the online classes, some intruders are entering through the link by using different names to disturb the whole classes, like misbehaving with the teachers, bad comments to the students. Because of them, interaction between the teacher are break, and the students who really want to interact with the teacher, they are not be able to interact properly. Because of them only, teachers are taking action as much they can, like muting all, locking the meeting, etc. etc. Because of this, both students and teacher are suffering a lot. Cannot speaking thing if they want also the same time if they want, if they have any doubt. Because of them only, teachers are not be able to give their whole effort as they want. Because of this, in the next classes they are suffering a lot, because in the previous classes they have not done well.
Thank you, Aditya Raj. Saurabh, do you want to add something?
Thank you, Ankit. Hi, I am Saurabh Ranjan Pradhan. I would like to add one more problem to this discussion, and that is the necessity of taking breaks in online classes. Otherwise, it can cause problems like dry eye syndrome and ear problem and other health conditions. Thank you.
Thank you, Saurav. Now let's move to Aditya.
Thank you, Aswarya. Hi, everyone. I am Aditya. Now, the problem is immersion of students in digital technology has created additional demands for the teachers to protect a student's behavior online, which includes safety, legal risk, and privacy. Sometimes many unpleasant or background noise has come so that we all are affected. Now, while we are talking about privacy, the accounts of the students or login credentials should be secure at the online platform. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya. We will be discussing on the problem faced by the teachers. Aman, would you like to say something about the problem faced by the teachers?
Hi, I am Aman, and I did like to highlight the fact that no one usually considers. It is not always the student who face problems, but teachers as well. For example, the teachers also feel bored while interacting with the students in online mode, as they often feel that they are talking to themselves and hence tends to lose the interest as well.
Thank you, Aman. Now let's hear from Gaurav.
Thank you, Ashwarya. Hello, everyone. I am Gaurav, and I would like to add to the problems faced by teachers. According to the survey conducted by us on some of the teachers, many of the teachers feel that eye contact is very important in the learning process, because many of the teachers can just look into your eyes and facial expressions and tell whether you have understood the concept or not. Such kind of interaction is very difficult to achieve in the online classes. Due to lack of such interaction, the teachers can only hope that the student has understood the concept, because the students also don't give any feedback from their side. Thank you. Ankit, would you like to add some more points to this discussion?
Thank you, Gaurav. Hi, I'm Ankit Rautrai. I would like to add a point on the difficulty faced in technology by senior teachers. Technology isn't always the answer. Reservist teachers have been reflected on having differences and incidents of doubling up on the time having notes. Students can also prefer reading print, and teachers can disengage for introducing new technology when they don't feel it adds anything extra. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankit. From all the above problems, Now let us redefine the problem. These are the few survey done by us for the students as well as for the teachers. From this, we got to know that majority of the students feel boring while only listening to the lectures in the online classes. Ashwarya, would you like to add something?
So, less interaction of the students with teachers makes incomplete understanding, and hence the students are not able to become an active learner. We'll be working on this problem in the next video.
Thank you everyone for watching this video, and thanks to those who participated in today's discussion. We will be meeting soon in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to like this video and give some suggestions in the Google form given in the description.